Back to a weekend of pulling weeds and getting the garden ready for the fall. Huh, got a lot to do. Oh, weeds everywhere. My plastic and stone that I put down didn't help. The weeds still came about. My little cucumber area didn't work out this season. Didn't get hardly no cucumbers. The sun just cooked everything. Look at my okra. Got more okra. Looking beautiful. Look at them beautiful flowers. Oh, I got a lot of okra to harvest. A lot of okra to harvest. Oh, okay, asparagus. Okay. I think it's time to give up on this cocktail apple tree. The winter killed it, and it ain't coming back. I'm gonna have to go ahead and pull it on out. Use this space for something else. But look at my zinnias. Oh, zinnias, you're looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Oh yes, look at my zinnias. They looking beautiful. Wish y'all would last through the winter, but I know you're gonna die down. Oh boy. Okay, pineapples. Yes, y'all are enjoying this sun. Y'all reaching for the sun. Yes, you are. You're standing up straight. Okay, look at all the work I gotta do. Oh boy. Look over here. More okra. Oh, I let them get too big, I think, though. But I'm gonna harvest, y'all. The sun is cooking me, though. Everything. Okay. Asparagus beans. Y'all are growing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Need to harvest some more asparagus beans. And clean this area out with all the dead leaves. And over there, I'm gonna plant some more green beans over in that area. Clean that area out. Oh, look at the jungle over here. Oh boy. Get all of this watermelon out of here because it look like nothing else is gonna grow. Tomato, romaine lettuce, excuse me. Roma tomatoes. Y'all never did produce very much. Got me a bell pepper plant here. Come on, bell peppers. Oh, I got so much cleaning up to do. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. Okay. Hazel. Everybody needing some water right now. Okay, lemon tree. Okay, lemon tree. I see 3 of them going there. Any more you don't? Any more? Come on. Grow some more. Grow some more. Grow some more. Look at my red delicious apple tree that I grew from seeds that I got from a red delicious apple from the store. It's coming on up. Yes, you are. I have another lemon tree here that I planted from seed from lemons that I had harvested last season. I got another lemon tree coming up. Okay, lemons. Lemons and apple tree. Come on. This is supposed to be my cantaloupes over here. I had cantaloupes over there with the other watermelons and none of them came up. Still have green leaves coming up. Got some mushrooms coming in here too with them. But no cantaloupes yet. It's not been a good season for cantaloupes or watermelons for me. But I got one, that's all. At least I got one this season. Okay, come on. I see you blooming, cantaloupe. Come on, grow something for me. Have some more watermelons over here. Nothing's coming up. Been watering you and letting you get all of this good sun, but you just don't want to produce any watermelons for me. Okay, come on, watermelon. another wild weed area. This is my green, collard green bed. Gotta pull all of them out, and I'm gonna plant some more seeds in this bed and get them ready for the fall. They grow better during the cool weather. Gotta clean all of these weeds out here. Okay, I just harvested some bell peppers, but I still see some more bell peppers blooming here. Okay, come on, bell peppers. Grow me some more bell peppers. Grow me some more bell peppers. There's some more bell peppers growing here too. Not very many. This was another okra plant, but it done got died out. I'm gonna have to just pull everything up. Just have to pull them all up. But come on. Come on, bell peppers. Grow me some more bell peppers. Jalapeno peppers still growing over here. I see you have some more blooms on you. Look at you, jalapeno pepper. Come on, come on. I see you. I see you. Look at all the blooms still coming on you. Come on, jalapeno pepper. Keep going for us. Okay, I'm gonna come back later and show y'all all my cleanup results. It's gonna take me a while to get everything cleaned up and ready for the fall. Get all of these weeds out of here. Oh, a lot of work this weekend for me, but I'm gonna get it done. Yes, I am. Today's harvest: some asparagus, long beans, and some okra grown in Big Mama's garden.